Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fully shut down your Frameo digital frame in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to look for this particular power button on your Frameo digital frame. Now, when you press and hold this particular power button on your Frameo digital screen, you just have to look for these types of option that appears. So these are power off, restart and sleep. So since you want to power off or you want to shut down, you just have to tap on the option of power off, and this way your Frameo digital frame will shut off. You can also select the sleep mode only in order to basically turn off the screen, and in this case your frame still runs in the background. Shutdown completely stops the device and saves more power. So if you want to power it off, you can tap on this particular option and you are done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.